So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys my 7 reasons why you should pick yourself up the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So without further ado, let's get it. You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is iEman. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys, like I've said, we're going to be talking through 7 reasons why you should go ahead and pick yourself up the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I know I keep hating on this phone on every single of my video I make on this device, but it does have some good quirks, and it does, what can I say? It is a beast of a phone. I am not gonna lie. It is a beast of a phone. So yeah, let's go straight right into it. So number 1 is the display. The brightness on the display is absolutely awesome. Sharp, is absolutely beautiful. So the peak brightness on this display is actually sitting at 1750 nits, and you can typically get a brightness of 1200 nits on this device, which is just absolutely astonishing. So this basically means that you can literally see your screen and it will be crisp and sharp and beautifully lit in literally under direct sunlight. If you're outside and it's extremely sunny, or if you're inside a building and it's extremely lit with the lighting, and the lighting is very powerful, you can still see what's on your display, and your display will still look absolutely incredible. So number 2 on my list is the S Pen. The S Pen, I'm not really a big fan of it, but I mean, it's there, it's really nice. It helps you out, especially if you have big hands. You can literally just have it in one hand and you're able to access through with a pen and make precise measurements and make precise touches and stuff like that, which is just absolutely awesome. It's a little nice feature which Samsung is added onto the S22 series, but it could have been nicer if they just left it with a Note series. But I mean, I guess Samsung is Samsung, and I guess you guys wanted an S Pen on the S22 Ultra, and yeah, they've provided it, and yeah, we have the S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The best thing about the S Pen on the S22 Ultra is it's actually 70% faster and reduces latency from whenever you touch the device or touch any app or touch anything with the pen onto the screen of the display, which is just absolutely awesome. And it's a lot more accurate especially when it comes to reading your handwriting. So it can tell what letter and the alphabet that you're writing in, and it can literally just it can tell, and it can put in what obviously that you want to write in there, because a lot of people out there, the handwriting are not the best, but there's the technology that's been built in here to pick up more of people's handwriting on the device, even if the handwriting is not as great. Anyway, moving on to the 3rd thing on my list is the refresh rate. The refresh rate on this bad boy has been improved massively, comparing it to the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So yeah, last year's Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra the refresh rate was ranging between 10 hertz all the way up to 120 hertz, but the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra takes that adjustment even further. Absolutely astonishing. So the new phone, the Samsung Galaxy S22, can still come with the 120 hertz when needed, but other times the Samsung Galaxy S22 can actually drop down the refresh rate all the way down low. So this device can actually drop its frame rate all the way down to 1 hertz, which is just absolutely insane. And it drops that down especially when you're not doing anything on the display. So it's pretty much like the adaptive refresh rate, where it goes as high as 120 hertz, depending if it needs to be 120 hertz, and depending on what you're actually doing on the device. So if you're doing anything more like playing a game, or even scrolling across the settings, or scrolling across web pages very quickly, that will automatically instantly tell the phone that you're doing something very fast on the device, so it needs to bump its refresh rate to 120. And the best thing about it is, as well, like I said, it goes all the way down to 1 hertz instead of that 10 hertz which we got on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It goes all the way down to 1 hertz when it doesn't need to be up there 100 20 hertz refresh rate. And the best thing about it being going down to 1 hertz is that it really helps with the battery life and the battery performance, because that's one less thing that the battery and the RAM of the device is using. So when you're just on the phone chilling, just doing casual, browsing on the internet or even social media, it brings all the way down to 1 hertz or brings it down low. Whichever way, it keeps the battery life a lot more better, and your phone doesn't die as quick as anything else would. Anyway, so moving right along, we have the fast charging feature. The fast charging feature is just absolutely awesome. This thing charges so rapidly and so damn quickly. It's an absolutely massive difference from the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, which is just absolutely awesome. I keep saying it's a massive difference from the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, but the S21 Ultra is still a goddamn beautiful and absolutely beast of a device. But then you have this, which just blows it out of the water, which is absolutely amazing. So with the fast charging is 50% charge. The fast charging actually helps, and it enables this phone to get 50% charge in just 20 minutes, which is just absolutely insane. That's 10 minutes quicker than the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and also it's twice as fast as the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I could go and say the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is actually the fastest charging device in the whole world at the moment, because that's just absolutely nuts and absolutely insane. And the best thing as well is that this phone comes with 45-watt charging as well built into the phone. Obviously you don't get the charging brick, which is a little bit annoying. You have to go and get it yourself. But when you have that charging brick, you can probably get this phone to full charge in possibly 40 to 45 minutes from 0 to 100, which is just absolutely insane. Anyway, moving right along is the durability of this device. The durability of this device is absolutely insane. It uses a Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and it uses that glass on the front and at the back as well. I'm not too well, yeah, at the front and the back, we could say, and also it has an armored aluminium frame as well at the side of it. And yeah, I did a bend test on this device. If you want to check that video out, you can check it. You can click up there and check that video out. But I could not get this thing to bend at all. Had a little bit of flex, and that was pretty much about it. But did not get it to bend at all. And when I say this phone is very durable, it's very durable. It can withstand the bend test. And also, if you drop this bad boy, you don't need to be scared anymore, because it's got Samsung's new technology with the Gorilla Glass as well, which is just absolutely awesome. You could get like a few cracks there and there and a little bit of scratches, but I mean, for the most part, if you drop this phone, it will survive the drop with a few minor scuffs and scratches, but the screen isn't gonna just shatter like previous devices that we've seen back in the days. Anyway, so moving on is the camera. The camera on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, still the same as the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, but the only thing that's changed massively on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra's camera is the performance in low lighting. Low lighting on this bad boy is an absolute beast. But I mean, who takes pictures at night? I don't really personally take pictures at night because I don't know, I just don't, and not many people do. But I don't know, Samsung has decided to invest their time on the low lighting performance capability of this device, and I don't know, we don't really have a saying. Anyways, yeah, it's an absolute beast when it comes to low light pictures. The 108 megapixel main camera on the device actually now uses two larger 2.4 sensor that captures a lot more details when it comes to low lighting, and which in result gives you a lot more details and a lot more crispness to your pictures, so you get clearer images, and also in the low light conditions. And also this applies for your videos and also when you take still photos as well, which is just absolutely awesome. The last in my list is the storage. There's a lot of storage in this, tons and tons and tons of storage on this bad boy. So you don't have to fear about or even worry about running out of space on this device, or even like if just genuinely running out of space on this device, because you can choose the storage space from 128 gigabytes all the way up to 1 terabyte. Who would have ever thought of a 1 terabyte storage on a device? And I think Samsung have done it. Samsung has done it. 1 terabyte is the max you can get on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And I'm sorry, if you fill up that 1 terabyte of storage, then mate, you need to come and tell me what you're putting on your phone and what pictures and videos you're taking on your phone, because for me to use all that space up, I must be doing something mad on the device. Anyway, guys, that's been the video. If there is something else that you've actually found out when you're using this device, let me know down below so you can share it with me and share it with everyone else that's going to be looking in the comment section below as well. But yeah, without further ado, that's been me, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe as well. Turn on your post notifications on so you don't miss out on whenever I upload a video on this channel. And yeah, more videos on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, because I'm not done with it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.